Hi everyone and welcome to week 5. We are really moving along. You're going to be rounding this week out and finishing up business writing and document processing. Couple of words of wisdom. I know we talked about this at our touch base this past week. Anything that Miss Terry has given you in her course or Jenny Miller, pull that information out. Also, I got to thinking last night after we hung up from our touch base. In office procedures, I gave you copies of a book that we've used. There's information in that as well. And also in those office procedure binders that we created, you may remember those and you had to turn those in. There's information in there about document processing. Refer to that. This week, I have given you 2 extra resources to use. Hopefully, you'll find them very helpful and beneficial. One's a new book, so I'm eager to hear your feedback on that. It's by Franklin Covey. IAAP has actually added this new book, so I'm not really familiar with it, and I'm reading through it as you are. If you haven't done so, in the discussion board, it's due on the 25th, or excuse me, the 24th is your research topic. Don't forget, you can pick anything that you want. It could be from your self-assessment that you did at the beginning of the semester. It's maybe something that you want to know more about because while you were in school for this program, we didn't really touch on it too much. The other thing I keep forgetting to tell you, if you wanted to, for those 6 domains that we're starting to learn and study, all those POs with the bullets underneath, you can pick something from that. Or maybe not just one domain, because that's quite a bit. Maybe pick one PO or one bullet and then really just dive in deep to that. This is truly your own. This is your senior project. So however you want this to look. You're teaching us, me as your instructor and your fellow classmates. But don't wait too long. I know you're studying for this credential, but you also want to start thinking about your senior project, your senior presentation. If you have questions about it and you get stuck, come talk to me, and I can help you. But the best rule about research is don't make it so general that you've got this huge research topic. Narrow it down. Maybe think big first and then narrow it down. Again, you've got a couple more weeks before your research topic is due. It's due on the 24th at midnight in that discussion board. Other than that, stop by my office and see me if you still want to take a look at the other student study guides. Know this, each study guide is going to be different. This is your living, breathing document that's yours, and you're going to keep revamping it as you go for the next several weeks as you're adding to it with these 6 domains. Honestly, I want you to do this. I'm not grading you on how much is there and if it's in color. I'm grading you that you've done this. It does you a disservice not to do it. And which reminds me, now that you've kind of got the writing and the document processing halfway done, you need to go back now and re-review communication. Every week as you add to your study guide, keep going back to review what you've already completed and what you've already learned. All right, have a great week. You know what to do if you've got a question. Use the Ask Dr. Barnes a Question tab just to the left here. Let me know if you've got any questions. Take care.